Shekhar, what is this?
Hold on, uncle. I'm not your enemy, but I'm your friend. I'm only helping you to get this girl's truth out. And yes, you, so-called Durga Thakur, you have been fooling everyone since really long. But, sorry to say, the game is over.
My dear, I don't have to prove anyone that you are my daughter. Come on, let's go.
One second, Mr. Dayal, 1 second. Uncle Dayal, hold it.
These two are eager to get away from here instead of proving Shekhar wrong. Does this mean that the birthmark is not there on her foot? Shekhar was right then. She is not Durga.
If you are so sure, what is wrong in proving me wrong? You know what? If you leave from here like that, it will be proof that I am right and this girl is wrong. You know what I mean?
Durga, there is no need to listen to him. Let's go.
No, Dad. He's right. It is important to clear everyone's doubt. And if you are with me, then I'm not scared of anything. I had told you, Dad, I will never give anyone any chance to point fingers at you. Ever. Today we cannot leave from here like this, Dad.
But dear, for an idiot?
It's okay, Dad. Come, Shekhar. Maybe your way, Shekhar. We'll know what is the truth and what is a lie.
Come on, Durga. Not left, right foot. What happened? Did you forget your birthmark? Come on, show it to everybody. Show them your right foot.
That's it. Your game is over.
Come on, Durga. Show us your right foot. Come on. What are you waiting for? Show your right foot to everyone and prove me wrong. Tell everyone that you are right.
Durga dear, you don't have to stand like a criminal in the court and prove anything to anyone. Let's go from here.
Wow, uncle. Strange. You two are getting nervous as if you know this is not the real Durga.
What rubbish!
Come on, Durga. Show everyone your right foot and prove me wrong. Look, look, everybody is waiting for that. This cannot be possible.
This is a birthmark. Shekhar, Mehra. Some marks that always stay with us.
I don't believe this. You are not Durga. Then how do you have this birthmark on your foot?
You still don't believe me? Then pick up the photographs that you stole and match it. How will it be my habit, Shekhar? I am not Durga Thakur.
24 hours. Just see, 24 hours. And your truth will be exposed in front of the world.
In 24 hours, you will not be able to bear the burden. Because within these 24 hours, you will fall on my feet and beg. Are you satisfied? Or is it that you really like sitting under my foot?
Mrs. Goenka, trust me on that. This is not possible. She is not the real Durga Thakur.
Enough! You said a lot, Shekhar Mehra. Now shut up! I don't even permit to say a single word against my daughter. And you dare to point your finger at her. If you wish her good, then quickly, get lost quickly. Or I'll teach you a lesson that you will not forget for life. Durga dear, let's go from here. Let's go.
Dr. Dayal, whatever is happening, I'm really sorry for this, but please, let me handle this. And you, Mr. Shekhar, now it is the time for the police to come here and handle you.
Mr. Dayal, I apologize to you. Please, I'm really very, very sorry. Whatever has happened shouldn't have happened. Durga, come here.
Please, Mr. Goenka, don't show me this fake love and fake concern. I don't like it. My name is Durga. Durga Thakur. How can you call me a kid, Mr. Goenka? You should say kid to ones who you think of as your kids, to whom you love. The ones whose pain is your pain, Mr. Goenka. If instead of me, the fingers were raised at Shaurya, then you would have broken their hands, Mr. Goenka. But when I was forced to prove, in front of all, you all stood here like dummies to see the drama. Everyone waited. No, Mr. Goenka. You cannot call me a kid. And you, Mrs. Goenka? What did you say? That it was me who wanted to prove him wrong. Otherwise, this wouldn't have happened. I didn't give this proof for Shekhar Mehra. I gave it to prove it to all of you that I am Durga Thakur.